Okay, just wanted to make a little video here of coming into Coolidge Street from the south to get into Safari Drive. There's the Mercedes dealership. There's the Central Apartment Complex. We go past this. The lock boxes are going to be right at the end of the street where it says 4745, which is Building D, as you can see right there. This one. Lock boxes are all right on the side, and I'll walk over there. I'm just going to try to find a place to park. The unit that we're in 4003 is in 4747, which is this building right here, of course. So with the parking, it can be touch and go. These guys here with their 3-hour parking for Central, they are like really stuck up about the parking. They don't like people temporarily parking here. Here with the red curb, it's even worse. This is for delivery only. So sometimes you got to pull around once or twice. I've even double parked in some cases, which I guess I don't suggest doing that. But to the right here is where I usually grab a spot kind of by the lock boxes if I'm lucky enough to get one right there. Or sometimes if this is open, I just go here. I know this is kind of for the Mercedes, but you know, I don't see what else we're gonna do. So we're gonna go here for now, and I'll walk you over to the lock boxes real quick, and then we'll be out of here. Hang on just a second.